Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Wuryawan, and today I just want to make a quick video about my extended packing for my Iceland trip. Let's go! Before we continue with today's video, if you are a current subscriber of my channel, welcome back. I hope that you will enjoy today's video, and thank you always for your support for my channel. If you're a new viewer of my channel, also welcome. In this channel, I make contents about photography, filmmaking, cameras, lenses, micro four thirds, also about music, home recording, guitar, rock, metal, that kind of stuff. So if you are into those kind of things, please consider subscribing to my small channel. And now let's continue with today's video. So 2 weeks ago, I made a video about the camera gears and lenses that I will carry for my upcoming Iceland trip. And today's video is just a quick continuation of that video. I wanna pick up where I left off from that video and show you some other things that I haven't showed you on that video, as well as how I pack my camera gear into my bags, into my carry-on luggage, and into my checked-in luggage as well. So first, let's start with my carry-on backpack. This is the main bag that I will be carrying with me at all times. As I mentioned on the previous video, this is a Thule backpack, and this will be what I will put under the seat in front of me in the airplane. On my backpack, I will carry all of my cameras with one attached lens for each camera using this camera cube from National Geographic. So inside this cube, you can see I have two cameras. This is the Panasonic GX8 and this is my Panasonic G85. And attached to the G85 is the 14 to 140mm, my main lens. And I will also carry this guy right here. This is the 15mm f1.7 Panasonic Leica lens. So on the previous video, I mentioned that I want to carry 20mm f1.7 Panasonic lens. However, after second thought and after some considerations, I think that the 15mm will be a better choice for me because it is wider and a little bit more versatile. Also, over here, I have the Laowa 7.5mm attached already to the Panasonic GX8 so that it's ready at all times. And also, I have this little pouch right here that will carry my Rode Wireless Go wireless microphone, and it's also going into this pouch right here. On my backpack, I will also carry this K&F concept pouch containing all of my K&F concept filters right here, as well as one of my Surui ND64 as well. Also inside this backpack, I will carry my Insta360 Go 2 camera, as well as the camera that's recording this video right now, the DJI Pocket 2, inside one of the outer pockets of this bag so that they are ready at all times when I want to vlog or if I want to record a B-roll. Next, I will also carry a carry-on roller luggage with me, and inside this luggage I will carry some clothes, some jackets, as well as some of my electronics and other camera stuff. First, let's check out this pouch right here. So this is my electronics pouch kind of thing, if you know what I mean. And inside there, I have a USB card reader for my laptop, a USB extender, I have my hard drive as well, I have my air blower for the sensor, and I will also have with me my Rode video microphone, which I detach from its mount, and also mouse and also charger for my Asus ZenBook laptop. Inside the carry-on luggage, I will also have another K&F pouch with me, and this pouch will not carry filters, but it will carry my SD cards, as well as some batteries, especially AAAs and AA's for my flash, and for my flashlight, for my transceivers, and so on. Next, I will also carry a check-in luggage as well, which will not be with me inside the cabin of the airplanes because it will be checked in, and inside there I will carry my extra clothes and extra jackets and extra shoes. However, I will also carry some camera accessories inside that checked-in luggage, especially my tripods. This is the Surui tripod, which will be my main tripod to be used for nighttime photography, for astrophotography, for aurora borealis shots, for long exposure waterfall shots to be used with my G85 and GX8. And then I will also have this little Benro tripod, which will be used for my off-camera flash rig that I will show you in a moment. And I will also carry this weird little tripod right here. This is an Ulanzi tripod with this weird little mounting to be used with my Insta360 Go 2 camera when I'm diving or snorkeling on the Silfra on the Thingvellir National Park in Iceland. Next, because this is a honeymoon trip, I will be traveling with my wife, and she's been very kind enough to let me put some of my stuffs into her carry-on luggage, and I asked her to carry this pouch with her inside her carry-on luggage. And inside this pouch there are some camera gears that I want to show you. First, over here, this is my Panasonic 100 to 300mm ultra telephoto lens that I will use to capture puffin birds or wildlife or ultra long distance landscape kind of pictures. And then I will also carry this. This is the Yongnuo transceiver to be used with my off-camera flash, which I will show you in a moment. I will also put this LED. This is a Manfrotto little LED lights that I will use especially to make videos for talking headshots in the hotel or something like that, so that I can still vlog in Iceland. And I will also put this inside this pouch. This is my additional backup lens. This is the Panasonic 12 to 35mm f2.8. And then this over here is my off-camera flash. This is the Viltrox GH6 Mark II, and this will be used with the Yongnuo transceivers and with the Benro tripod that I showed you earlier for my off-camera flash rig. And that's it. That's all of the extended camera gears that I will bring into my upcoming Iceland trip. If you want to learn more about the cameras and lenses in particular, I made a video about it 2 weeks ago. You can check it on this card above. And that's all for today's video. I hope that you find this video to be useful. Please comment down below if you have any question about any of the gear that I will bring on my upcoming Iceland trip. Also, don't forget to support my small channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel down below. It will really help me a lot to motivate me to keep making this video for you. Alright, thank you and goodbye.